Hey, it's Andrew Pardine back with another video, and in this one I'm going to actually show you the three main Chrome store extensions that you can go ahead and download, and this is mainly just used to help finding those discounts. Sometimes you're not able to find promo codes when you're buying online arbitrage items, so this kind of automates that pretty much. So the first one I use is called Honey. And I want to show you this way. This way you can see exactly what it looks like in the Chrome store to be able to download. All right, so download that one. The next one is Price Blink, which is this one here. And lastly is Slick Deals, which is this one here. All right, so once you have those, once they're downloaded, you can go ahead and put them up here, save them as a bookmark. That way they can apply directly to the orders that you're going to place. All right, so let's start out. I want to give you some examples. All right, let's go over to, let's just say Walgreens. All right, this is a big store that I use, well, big supplier, sorry, that I use. So as you can see, right, once you're in checkout, you'll be able to see these pop-ups. All right, so Price Blink has 10 coupons, Honey's got a few. So let's go ahead and click on Apply Coupons. And you can see, doing it this way just saves a ton of time, because obviously you can go ahead and go to Google and type in, for example, Walgreens promo codes, but that's just extra work, right? That's why you want to have these Chrome extensions, and boom, just like that. By having this, we saved $8 on this order. You'll be able to see the promo code right here. Click continue to checkout, and then you're able to check out right there for $45. All right, so now I want to explain why I use this. All right, obviously it's probably common sense. You want to save money, but mainly it's to, get one over on your competition. All right, meaning those other sellers on Amazon. All right, so by me doing this, maybe other sellers will not take that extra step, right? Maybe they're newbies. Who knows, right? But this puts me at an additional $8 profit overall for this order and when I sell them on Amazon. So for one, if other sellers aren't doing the same thing, they may ask, oh, how are they able to price it lower than I am? There's not enough profit there. Well, this kind of proves it right here, right? So let's try another supplier. Let's see, what's another good one here? Let's see. All right, I'm just gonna put a random one in here. Sally Beauty. Did I spell that right? Okay. All right, so now let's just go ahead and find some random items. Here we go. Now, sometimes, obviously, no coupons will work. Sometimes they will. But it literally takes you just a couple of seconds, even a minute, just to actually look for a coupon. All right, so let's get out of that. Price Blink has one. Let's try that one. And like I said, if it doesn't work, it'll let you know right there. All right. I don't think Honey has any. Now, if for some reason you don't see the drop down, you can always click on it. Let's go to Slick Deals here, coupons. They have a few here. Let's go ahead and, where is it? Okay, right here. All right, let's try to copy this. Apply, no. Try this one. There you go. Did that work? It says it applied. I don't know what it was for. Man, all right. 1429, 1420. No, I don't think it did apply. All right, let's try one more. Maybe it did, maybe it did. I wasn't paying attention. Let's see. I think there's one more in here. Take 30% off. I don't know about that one. No. All right, so again, some weeks those may apply. Sometimes they won't. Let's check another one. Let's see. deal list. All right, let's try Petco. I mean, at this point, you kind of see how it works, why you should be using it. But just to give some live examples here. All right, so here's one. Now, this is one that I was going to order today, right? There was about $4 profit on it, but before sales tax. So I wanted to try to use coupons. Obviously, with suppliers like this, let's say with Petco, with Chewy, they always have that, save however much on your first repeat delivery order, which of course you always choose that. And then once it gets delivered, you just cancel it. So you're not getting that recurring order. All right, so let's go ahead and apply coupons. There's 5 here. Let's see if it takes anything. Nope, no coupons. All right, let's try. Now, Chewy usually doesn't have anything good. Let's see here. Ooh, all right, so this is one that I placed an order on today. Obviously, I can't show you the item, but let's see if anything works here. Let's look at this one here. All right, let's go ahead and add 4 to the cart. Add the bag. All right, you do have to go to where a promo code could be entered in order to use it. Let's get out of there. Apply coupons. Let's see if it finds anything. All right, so yeah, this was the coupon that actually worked for me today, but it looks like it can only be used once. Anything? Oh, there you go. Save $20. So what was this? This was a, what was it? 20? Wow, 20% off right there. So boom, just like that, 20% off. All right. So now that you kind of see how this works, it works on so many different suppliers online, as long as there's coupon codes for them. So definitely test this out yourself next time you're sourcing. All right. If you do have any questions, definitely comment down below. I'll be happy to answer that. If there's any videos that you guys want to actually see, all right, something that I haven't made yet, let me know. I'd be happy to make a video for that. And just don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video if you got some value from it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.